Good afternoon, this is the snowstorm report. This video is produced and directed by Keita and Railfan Ralph. This snowstorm report is Keita and Ralph giving you a live look at what it's like out here. We're braving the elements this afternoon. Keita and I are braving the elements out here. It's not nice. This is a live look out here in Lewiston, and we got about probably a 30-35 mile an hour wind gust here, and it's not nice out here. Real blizzard. There he is, my buddy Keita. I don't think he likes this weather too much. I think he would prefer if the snow wasn't blowing in his face. But anyways, we're gonna take a walk and let you go for now. This is Keita and Railfan Ralph. We'll see ya.